Hi, Ryan Schwartz here from Fenster Components. This is a product overview video of one of our product lines on our website. In this video I'll be talking about our Sash rebuild kit, or as us pros like to call it, a style and rail kit. This product line is going to be your most economical option to rebuild your existing window sash because of wood rot or some other kind of failure. Basically, what a sash rebuild kit is going to be comprised of, it's 4 new wood sides of the sash, 2 stiles, 2 rails. It does come with new perimeter weatherstrip on it, as long as the original model had weatherstrip on it. We do try and match that as closely as possible. Some manufacturers used some proprietary items that were manufactured specifically for them. If those products aren't available, we try and match the original component as much as possible. So you're going to have some color variations. In some instances, there are some design changes, but the functionality of the window, I assure you, does not change. Now, what this product's going to offer you is basically your most economical option for the homeowner, the DIYer, or the contractor when you're just trying to replace rotten wood and you're not replacing glass, or in the case of a cladded unit, you're not replacing any of the cladding either. Now, I don't necessarily recommend that, because if your window sash is already 15 to 20 years old, you're about to exceed the lifespan of that insulated glass unit already. So in the process of taking the window apart, reassembling it, putting it back in the window frame, you run the potential of breaking that seal, and now you're back to, you probably should have just bought a whole replacement sash to begin with. So I caution you on that. Other option I would say for the residential glass company or a contractor that is already a window repair specialist, Sash rebuild kit is going to be your most economical option to supply your own glass. You'll have a better margin that way, and do all the assembly yourself and go install it on the project. The last thing I would say about the Sash rebuild kit is, if you are wanting to stay as true as possible to the original design of the window, particularly on a cladded unit where we cannot get the original manufacturer's replacement cladding, and you want to stay true and reuse all those parts, the Sash rebuild kit is going to be your best option. We do have cladded products, but it's our proprietary cladding that's going to change some of the specifications of the window a little bit. So if you're trying to avoid that and just do 1 or 2, or there's some extenuating circumstance why you've got to keep the window exactly the way it was when it was new, the Sash rebuild kit is going to be your best bet. Now, you can find this as a product category on the home page of our website. If you go there, you can read more about the product, as well as using the Sash profile catalog, which is at the header bar of the home page. That's going to list all of the available profiles we have by original brand, by original manufacturer, and all of the different models that we have available from that manufacturer. Now, from that product page, we highly recommend that you complete the order request form. That's going to be the best way for you to submit your information and get that information to us so we can process an order for you. Thank you very much, and we look forward to helping out with your next window repair project.